So I got a little bit of a leak in my fuel tank right here, and so I've been trying to repair it with a couple different solutions, but they haven't been exactly working. So now I finally got some actual fuel tank repair, and we're going to go ahead and give it a try. First thing we gotta do is start cleaning off the surface. Gotta make sure every little piece is off of anything. Nice and clean. Make sure it's all metal with a little bit of touch. And just go ahead and wipe it off. If you got some carb cleaner, that'd probably be the best to use, but if not, just wipe it off with a towel or something. We're gonna go ahead and open this guy. Let's see. It says to use gloves. I'm not gonna. I don't care. Oh. Alright. We gotta knead it together. Keep kneading it till all the colors kind of mix together into one solid color. Alright, there we go. It's kind of a light brown. Went from a dark brown to a light brown. And then we're just gonna push it up in here. Make sure you can try to keep any air pockets out of any like crevices. Put a little bit of water on my fingers. It's kind of helping to keep it from sticking to my fingers. that's good.